shit, switches in the air.
Chill, it's your boy, Drama, Be Wild,
in the air. Bitches underwear, way in the air. Toss them hoes up.
A new game, a new day. Say the spot workers that did it, we did it our way, yup. New day, new game. We done put it on the court, made them all look shameless. Say the name, never been nameless. Spot workers took the block, beat you brainless. So you don't really want it, dog, he got the stainless. Southside, watch him ride, play the game, do or die. Be Wild, tropical island, we on some light, styling with them other niggas, lion, tigers, and bears. It don't matter, you stop, you stare, you getting blinded by the lights. Papa Drama got the gun flare. Look, he's staring in the eyes of death. Fucking with spot workers, ain't nobody left. We knock them all down. You heard the sound of this. Niggas get mad cause we taking over shit.
Hard cause I say I'm blessed. Smoking on that good weed on the southwest. Feeling no stress cause my money keep me blessed. Rock the mic from the motherfucking east to west. I lock it up, sold it up, now I'm good to go. I smoke a gun, I'm feeling good and I'll be riding slow. I'm watching for the police cause they gon' lock me up. And I ain't going nowhere, nigga fucking stuck. I'm on a motherfucking mission, keep my pockets up. The spot worker game, nigga, never fuck up. We do it how we do it and we keep this shit on lard. I'm with Papa Drama, Be Wild, going hard. I'm these bitches in these hoes and they love a nigga. They wanna hug a nigga, straight thug a nigga. And I'm a thug out to the fucking day I die. Smoking weed, getting cheap, feeling fucking fly. Oh, I'm a chunk off this fucking blunt. I'm a chunk off this fucking skunk. What you want? I got the shit. Come holla in. Come get. My name is Be Wild, bitch. Back doors where you find me. I'm chillin' posted with that green leaf.
Look,
get at me.
Get at me. Get at me. Get at me. Say I'm popping bottles, hit the throttle with models. Trying to stop Papa Drama, doesn't matter cause you see you tomorrow. I'm gonna make sure that he feel it, heat the skillet. Killing these niggas, these bitches digging ditches. There'll be no sorrow. See, I'm coming with that ill shit. My nigga Be Wild told me get the 40 with the extra clip. I lock it down, man. You heard the sound, man. My nigga South came back and then took command. He like, I like that. I'm like, take it there. They get mad as hell, cause we gon' beat them there. Cause I'm a G-type captain, thug. Represented to the fullest, representing that glove.
Fucked up, feeling like a thug, and I give a fuck. I'm in the club and you know I'm living life up. With one drink in my hand and one cup. How I do that? Still on the groove. Bitches loving my style, that's what I do. I keep it locked in the game and I'm staying true. I'm with my people when my people know we coming through. Breaking through the crowd, getting buck wild. We shut the shit down, everybody call the police now. Cause they know we about to tear the shit up. They don't want nobody to get fucked up. Oh, that's right, cause this motherfucker. Double pistol in this motherfucker. Walking around with a whole bunch of bucks. Sit blow, chillin' back in my truck. Something in my cup. They got me folded on me high.
Mad as fuckers, they can't do this. Trying to get that money, now you see it on the wrist. Look, now they mad in this bitch. Mad at this shit. Cause me and my nigga, we about to do some real shit. And you can't even stop when we shining on the wrist. Niggas get mad, but they can eat the dick. Look.
Don't get mad, nigga, better take your shit. Rid of all your problems, cause you know we got that problem solved. That be that pump that's gonna cause drama. Niggas know we got that armor. Hit them couple times and then you're like, oh, I'm Dave, I'ma go home. That's where he need to go. Back to his kids, cause he know he feeling slow. We riding low profile, smoking weed, getting wild, hitting niggas low profile when they drop down. Get down and lay down, bitch, because you know we about that money and we trying to get rich. Hey, we trying to get rich, we never gonna quit. We out here, we out here, we out everywhere. I'm on a motherfucking busy, you know what I mean? I'm all about the busy, the motherfucking busy. It's all in me. I'm hanging with Drama and he all Hennessy. I'm with a nigga soft, really feeling real high, nigga. Come on, nigga, I'm hot. Oh, you didn't know it was Papa Drama, it was Be Wild, Party Drama.